YouTube, what's going on? We got a package from my boy Filthy Blizz. Let's go ahead, let's get into this package. Let's see what he sent today. Matt said that Ryan can be tanked if it's no rehydration clause, which might be the dumbest thing I done heard today, but y'all have a beautiful Friday.
I stand on it.
In the words of Roger Mayweather, you don't know shit about boxing.
Pitbull Cruz is
oh yeah, what?
Devontae Davis's kryptonite, dog.
We talk about a fighter who lost to one hand. Lost to one hand for 7 rounds. That's Mexican pride for you. Wee. Look at that. We got that Andis GTX. We got that Blue FX that's modified on now. I'm ready to rock and roll with these. I'm ready to see what these do. Also, we got the new Belay setter that just came out. I want to show y'all how this works too as well. So it comes with that. Come with the screws and come with the magnets to be able to set your clipper exactly how you need it to be set. And I believe we got a Filthy Blizz razor in here as well. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have Blue FX blade on the Andis GTX. So I'm hoping that this blade hits. We're gonna try this today in today's footage. So just, you know, stay tight with me. Let's go ahead and let's check this out. Also, all of the equipment in this video or that came in this box can be found on the Filthy Blizz website. I have his website somewhere down here at the bottom of the screen. Let's get right to it.
Just hard.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Beam. I just want to say happy Friday to everybody. If you're new to my videos, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. Let's get it. So I'm gonna go in by combing my client's hair, bringing everything forward, lifting it just so my guard can run through it. Y'all know what we do over here. We just prepping the hair to get us to its next stages. And as you guys see, completely open with the grain with a 1.5 guard. I'm cutting the hair down to 1 desired length. That is going to allow me to get this hair to literally 1 length and set it up for everything else after that. And as you guys can see, man, we're just taking our time and just keeping everything consistent as possible. Yeah, we just keep everything as consistent as possible. I'm not sure if it's a lot of barbers in here or barbers is watching this that's going to the CT Barber Expo. But that's what I'm doing. I'm getting this video ready early now. I gotta catch a flight to Hartford, Connecticut in like 2-3 hours. So I just wanna get this done. And we're just getting everything down to that length. If you are going to Hartford, Connecticut, the Tune 45 booth will be booth 421. We gonna be out there super deep. So if you rock with us, pop out, pull up. Now I wanna go in and set my guideline using the Filthy Blizz trimmer mod. And as you guys can see, man, it's dicing through hair. He set them beautifully. They feel good. Like just even having that blade on there, it feels super good. Y'all know me, like I kind of converted from Andis years ago, but coming back using the mod that he put together was super clean, man. As you guys can see, like I even started the video off just hitting all of my guidelines just to see how the clipper felt without even pressing. I'm just barely tapping and I'm getting super clean and prominent lines. Like this trimmer really gonna be that. I can't wait till you guys see me do some line work with it. And doing the same thing here, just creating my rainbow shape. And I'm just passing through it. It's super easy, it's super clean. So I'm gonna try to make the steps as dummy proof as possible today. Now I wanna go in completely open, at least a 1/2 inch. Going in completely 1/2 inch starts to create my barrier for me starting to create a transition for the side taper area. So now that that's done, I wanna do a number 1 guard halfway open above that as well. And then I want to do a 0 guard right up under that number 1 guard. Now let's start to blend and mesh these transitions together, because I cut them with a 1.5. If my highest guideline is a 1, that's right up under that. Then I do a 0 right under that 1. I got a 1.5, 1, and then a 0. So like the number system, as you guys can see, the upper part of the fade is already faded. Now I'm in the lower part with no guard, and I'm halfway open right here, and I'm just starting to debulk this area so I can blend it into the ball area. And like, as you guys can see, fully closed here. It's taking my time, and we able to get a easy blend. It's just understanding your number system, knowing exactly where you at, and you'll be able to execute at an all-time high. Open, no guard, open with a 0 guard on it, and just taking our time. And let's just blend some of this beard in, because we don't want a super choppy, thick beard area coming off of like the ball temple or coming off a ball, low ball taper area. Now completely open, 1/2 inch. My client nape area isn't super big in terms of vertically long, so I'm gonna keep the guidelines low just so I can keep the taper clean as possible and keep it in that pocket for myself to be able to execute at that high level and give you guys something special. Now completely open with that 0 guard, another 1/2 inch, and I'm just putting guidelines on top of each other. And as you guys can see, we are literally layering this fade and bringing everything together. Now completely closed. As you guys can see, I'm bringing the guidelines all the way together. Now completely open using my number 1 guard. When I'm completely open with this 1 guard above that 0 guard, watch how everything starts to come together with the number 1 guard. I'm just taking my time and letting everything naturally blend into itself, not trying to overly play my part, but at the same time getting a nice, clean, natural blend. It's all about your number system. And we're just making it happen. As you guys can see, we got a clean taper and fade area. Like, it's simple. Now completely halfway closed right here. And as you guys can see, we just finna close and clean up this bottom guideline that we set earlier. And as you guys can see, it's super dummy proof. Like, we knocking these haircuts out super fast in the shop. It's just all about taking your time. Again, remember, the system that I'm telling you guys to develop, understanding in the number system that you guys do, guard system, all of that matters in terms of efficiency. If you want to be able to move a little bit faster behind a chair, even though it's not about speed, if you want more efficiency in terms of your time, you will start to eliminate steps, and you'll start to use things that make getting through your steps easier. So, as you guys can see, we here. Now, y'all know what I like to do on the right side. I just like to connect to the world, man. And we got a big show this weekend, and I'm just thinking how many people we impact and how many people I meet at these shows. If any of you guys is at the CT Barber Expo, again, like I said in the beginning of the video, booth 421, I'll be there. You can pull up, you can shake hands with me, we can chop it up, we can take pictures, whatever it is. It's always love for anybody outside of my shop that show love to me. So, with all due respect, anybody that's out there that's rocking with the CT Barber Expo this weekend, the Barber Grammys, whatever it is you doing this weekend, I'm in the building. I'm in the building with my family, me, Bossio, Dre, Sean Cuss Hair, Kenna, Nate. It's just so many of us, and y'all just, if y'all want to, y'all could come out, come kick it with us at booth 421. We'll be displaying educational things. So I go on at 5 o'clock on Sunday, which is the first day of the show. So, if you want to come and see a live demonstration, pull up booth 421, and I'm doing a live demo at 5 o'clock. As you guys can see right here, I'm going in with some hot lather from Scout Masters, and I take it out my hot lather machine. I just want to lather up the client's hair right here and just get it all together, because lathering up the client hair will loosen up the hair follicle, but also clean this area, allowing me to literally get this area as clean as possible before adding any additives, so I could actually lay the hair down purposely. Just help me pull all of the dirt out of the hair. Now I'm gonna go in with some Lather body wrapping lotion, and then I'm putting this and dispersing it all through the hair, brushing it through with a blow dryer until the hair is flat. Now trimming over the top of the waves, knocking all of the loose hairs down, just basically prepping the hair for my line work. And as you guys can see, we got everything laid down. We got the tapers where we want, and we rocking and rolling. Now starting to do some of my nape area. I want to start with my verticals first. And starting with my verticals, you know, I just want to take my time. And I'm not pressing too hard, because one thing about Phil, man, Filthy Blends, that boy, he really set this blade beautifully. And he set this blade in a manner to where it's very hard to cut somebody. The only way you gonna cut somebody or nick somebody with this trimmer is if you overly pressing. So I didn't have to be too careful, because he was able to set it beautifully with the setter that was in the package. I can't wait to create my own video to show you guys how to set your blades. But look how these blades hidden behind the beard. Look how they hidden behind the nape area. I'm telling you, man, Filthy Blends, go hit that link in my description. Filthy Blends, he one of the nicest with the blade modifying too. And as you guys can see, just look how they spit in that crack line. Like, this is what you know when you getting like some really good quality stuff. Because modifications aren't easy to do. It's easy at times to set a blade, but to modify a blade as well, whole different bag. So, you know, I just want to say shout out to Filthy Blends. I appreciate you, bro. True innovator of the game. Always somebody that's helping us as barbers grow and helping make our job easier behind the chair. I like really respect you, and I rock with everything that you're doing in terms of your innovation for the barbering. So this is super tough. So I'm gonna go and hit the vertical bars. I apologize here that I was kind of in the frame right here blocking this out. First vertical bar, second vertical bar. Had to plug them up to the cord because they was dying. And then, you know, hitting the middle of the line and bringing it all the way to the left. Just taking my time, tapping myself into this, just, you know, really getting everything together. And as you guys can see, like, I'm just, you know, I'm bringing the beard together really well. Just taking my time, staying consistent as possible, staying true to the game, and just doing what I love to do, man. Like, we've been here a long time, and I just appreciate anybody if you've been on this road with me, cause man, bro, like I'm telling y'all, I've been grinding for a minute, dog. So, you know, if y'all been grinding with me, thugging it out with me, watching every video every week, or times I was inconsistent watching every month or so, like I overly appreciate that, because, you know, it still take a lot of my time to create these videos, to put these videos out. Like, I don't have an editor, so, you know, I'm just taking my time, and I just really appreciate y'all if y'all able to get through these videos, you know, in totality with me. Just using the corner of my blade, as you guys can see. I'm just taking my time, dragging myself through this lineup, getting a perfect C shape. And as you guys can see, I'm just putting it together. I'm just putting it together, man. Putting it together. Yeah, I'm putting it together. It's levels, bro. It's levels. And I promise everybody that watch me, you can achieve my level. If not, you could go way further than me. It's all about understanding and knowing what you're doing. So I want to go behind that using my Beam Team cordless compressor, assisting it with Sean Cut's hair color enhancement card. And I'm just hitting, you know, the C shape, hitting the vertical area, filling in some of the spaces in the gap of his waves. And as you guys can see, when somebody got waves, their hair kind of crunch up and curl up. So sometimes it creates spaces in the line, but only thing you got to do is go behind it and burst color in those areas, just to give it some more fullness, to put in those like streaky spots, to give it that full, you know, that full look. And I'm just taking my time, and look, as you guys can see, we bringing it together, just staying consistent as possible, and everything is working. I'm gonna give a big shout out to my dog, Only One Lil Lee. He did this beat Levels for me like a couple years ago. I was going through my computer, I'm like, nah, I like this one. Like this one got like a song cry vibe to it. Like, That little horn noise get this cry sound that just sounds so soulful that I just, you know, I'm rocking with. You know, I'm up early. I'm trying to get all my stuff together, like I said, before I catch this flight. So, you know, I just wanted to make sure that I was able to put on and get y'all a video, because I'm getting my stuff together over here, getting this bag officially packed so I could go ahead and get up out of here. And now using my straight razor, I'm gonna go in, stretching the skin, angling the razor at a 45-degree angle, bringing everything back to its highest point. And as you guys can see, we got some consistency going here, man. We got consistency going here. We got consistency going, bro. We got consistency going. Super fire. Just angling that razor, stretching the skin, staying consistent as possible. Dusting the facial hair off. As you guys can see, clean, man. Clean, 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 clean. Yeah, we gassing. We gassing. Yeah, we gassing out. Yep, this one look really good. As you guys can see, that's clean. It's unfortunate as barbers that we get clients that come in looking like this without a haircut for 2 months. But as barbers, it's up to us to change that outcome. And without further ado, y'all know how I give it up on my channel. Let's lock in. Hashtag TBT in that comment section. Hashtag Glacier Gang. Hashtag Glass. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. I am Beam, and may God bless.